Hey guys, I'm Jay, and today we are going to disassemble this guy here, the Ruike Knives P801. So today we will take it apart, clean it, and then oil it up. But before we get started, I just want to really quickly remind you guys to click on that subscribe button if you're looking for knife reviews that get right to the point. So today's tools that you will need: a Torx T6, a T8 for the pivot, and your favorite knife oil. I like to use the Daiwa Real Oil. So we got a lot to do. Let's get started. Okay, so we got it completely disassembled, and well, look at that. I can confirm there are in fact ball bearings on the pivot. I wasn't sure. I had to find out for myself. And in case you're wondering, yes, it is on both sides. Let me get that other one out. These things are really, really dirty. Holy cow. Yep. And then, man, look at that. Okay. Well, next I'm going to have to go ahead and take some alcohol wipes and clean all this stuff off, and then we will re-lube and then reassemble. Okay, so now we got it all back together, and let's see, I gotta adjust the pivot to check the action. Maybe let's do a touch looser. Like a quarter of a turn. Better. Oh, No play. Nice. Let's see, centering. That looks pretty good to me, guys. Is the action any better? Oh my goodness, yes. Wow. Oh my goodness, the action. Like seriously, guys, I was really disappointed because I had heard nothing but good things about the P801, and when I got it out of the box, started playing with it, I was like, I mean, yeah, it's okay. But now, oh, I'm trying not to hit the camera, guys. That's why I'm like, I'm sorry if it's out of frame, but look at that. Let's see. That's pretty good. I am impressed. Ruike Knives P801. Probably one of the easiest knives to disassemble, reassemble, to clean, to lubricate. Really just simple. I mean, and you saw there was like, what, 3 screws, including the pivot. I do still have to put the pocket clip back on, but wow, really, really simple to maintain this knife. And it has the 14C 28N blade steel, which, in my opinion, you know, is definitely a couple steps up from HCR 13 MOV. So this thing will, I mean, it'll hold an edge for a, I don't know, a decent amount of time. What decent is, but, so you might have to sharpen this a little more than you would, say, VG10. But with a knife that is this easy to take apart, I mean, maintenance, very simple. Boy, I like it. I like it now even more that I've gotten to take a look inside and clean it up and oil it up for myself. So that's it, guys. If this video about the Ruike P801 answered most of your questions, you know what, why not go ahead and click on that thumbs up and give me a like. So I want to thank you guys stopping by, helping me take this thing apart, and I will see you guys at the next video. You guys take care, okay?